Star date January 25th, 2025. Winter storm. 17 degrees Fahrenheit. It seemed like it came down all night long. It sounded like rain, only it sounded more like heavy rain. I think that makes that sleet. I know I said that last year. I think last snowstorm, was that last year? I think so. Is this postcard worthy? I think it could be. Don't you wonder why that limb is moving like that? Are the squirrels and the birds hiding in there some kind of way? I don't know. Where do they go when it's stormy like this? When it's cold outside? Where do they hide? They're still there somewhere. Or you think they flew out where did the squirrels go? I don't know. Anyway, I'm not going outside. I didn't go outside. If you can see the little smudges on my glass. So, enjoy.